Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. I am currently in Fort Worth, but this time I'm at the Stockyards and we're gonna watch the cattle run. Every day at 11:30 and 4 p.m. they have a cattle run where they walk the cattle all through the stockyards. Let's go check it out. Sounds pretty cool. Just for reference, today is a Thursday and I'm at the 11:30 and you can see there's people lined up already taking spots to sit. So yeah, let's find a spot. There's Trigger. I don't know if that's really Trigger. I'm gonna find out though. And right here is Bullet. Bullet is the Wonder Dog. German Shepherd breed, Bullet von Burge. It's a gift shop, all John Wayne stuff. Super neat. Okay, so this is really Trigger. Crazy. This is the Trigger. Wow, crazy to think. He died in 1965, was born in 1932. Man, I just can't imagine. I did not know that they would taxidermy something as big as a horse. Bullet, it's good to see you. This is like Hollywood stars up in here. Which in the Sundance Kid, they have these throughout. Lewis and Clark. They have a lot of restaurants and shops where you can shop for souvenirs, cowboy, cowgirl, clothing, all kinds of stuff. It's pretty cool. Amazing. Look at all that. All kinds of different animals. This is a longhorn. A bull? A bull. It's a bull. I don't know what the difference is. There's a cougar or mountain lion. Y'all check these out. That's crazy. They're so big. They go up to like $1,500. Steep. If that could be my pet, I would be so happy. Look at all this.